Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to set custom text tone for contact on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, in order to use this feature, you'll have to upgrade your iOS to the latest firmware. To check if your iOS is up to date or not, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down. After that, tap on general, then tap on software update. And if you see any update or install button on this page, tap on it, and once your iOS is up to date, you can move to the next step. The next step is to go to your phone application, then go to your contact section, then select the contact that you want to set custom text tone. For example, I like to select this one. Once you tap on it, tap on the edit button at top right corner. Now scroll a bit down, then you will see this option text tone default, tap on it. Now you can select any text tone of your choice. Once you select it, tap on the done button at top right corner and then again tap on done, and this is how you do it. You can also do the same thing to another contact. To do so, again go to the contact, then again tap on edit, scroll a bit down, then under text tone default, tap on it, then select any text tone, then again tap on done, again tap on done. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.